Hi, what's up, beautiful people? My name is Lucy, if in case you're new here, and welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, my name is Lucy, and I normally do DIY for natural hair, and for both adults and for toddlers. That is, I normally do it with my girls, my daughters. So, and I normally do it on my hair. So on today's video, I'm going to do an update on how I've been transitioning my hair, part of my hair, part of this side. Okay, a little bit of last year, around 6 months or 7 months ago, I relaxed my hair, part of it, because I wanted to do a little bit of. But before that, let me show you how my hair looks like. This is my hair. I have been doing some treatments, hair treatments. I've been using some natural remedies to make it longer, and I can tell you that it's growing and also it's thick. But now I have an issue. You can see the curls pattern. On this side, it's very natural and very healthy. You can tell even the curls. But on this side, I destroyed my hair by relaxing one side because of I was doing a weave, and for it to be sleek or to match with the wig, not the weave, sorry, I had to like relax this side so that when I'm combing, it looks like it's natural. You understand, it's the uniformity, to achieve that uniformity. Little and I knew that I was destroying my hair. I wasn't so cautious about my hair, so I'll show you that my hair, the way it came from this, now I'm at this. I'll show you that. Okay, sometimes it's hard to talk about some things that make you, they scare you or what. So I decided that I'm not, just look at that, I'm not going to make a big chop about it, but I said, or I promised myself that I'm going to grow it naturally. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to wait for the growth, the hair growth, and then I trim out the hair that is relaxed. I did the first trimming, and now I'm coming to do it. I'm going to be trimming with you today, so you can see how the curl patterns of my hair is messed up on this side, because I don't want to shave. I don't want to shave more the rest of my hair because of just one side. So I'm working on that. So I'm going to be showing you on how you can see how my hair is a bit thick. I've been, all these remedies that I've been using, everything that I've been trying, it's working on my hair. It's healthy, you can tell. It's even getting longer, you can tell. It's just that it's fussy, it shrinks like crazy. You can tell it's long. On this side, oh my god, you can tell, look at that. I really missed. But I'm going to be, you can see where the growth is here. So I'm going to chop, and I'm going to trim that. I'm going to trim these edges. I don't know how it's going to be like. I don't know, it's going to match. By the way, even my hair at the back of it, I normally have a shorter hair at my back since the time I started breastfeeding. I don't know how it happened, like my hair at the back, it was a little bit it's short. Look at that, and just look at this. So you can't compare it for the front side and the back side. So trimming at the front side of it, it's going to help also for this hair to catch up with this. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I want it to be, like that. Look at that. I feel so, you understand how the struggles of making your natural hair, then it reaches to that point that you have to do a chop or a trim. Trimming, it's very healthy. It makes your hair grow back again naturally. and also in a healthy way, and also it makes it easier for it to grow again. And that's why I can advocate for that. That's what I'll be doing on my hair. But first of all, I'll be trimming these edges or these things. I feel so bad, like, who sent me to that style? I'm going to be showing you that style that I did, or my wig. It was a nice one, but I'm going to live with the repercussions about that, but we are going to fix this. So let me spray my hair. You're going to see that the curl pattern is not the same. So you can see now, you can tell. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. Let me take it this. You can see here, I have a very nice texture over here. It's very natural, it's very cute, it's very thick. But when it comes to this side, the curls pattern is so bad. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? So we are going to solve this right now. I'm going to trim these things off. So I'm going to, let me section the part the area that is affected, so that it's very easy. I like working in sections because sometimes fussy hair is very overwhelming. So I have sectioned the area that is affected, and then I'm going to just trim off these things. Hey, let's do this, guys. Like so this area is not affected. It was just a bit of section. So hey. I'm not going to trim off so that it doesn't get to be even more short. This is a process that I'm going to be doing until I get back my natural hair to its state. Look at that. Now we move to another smoker area. By the way, guys, there are some people who, if you relaxed your hair, all of it, like the whole of your head, just with, you don't want a big chop, just for it to grow, then you can when it have it's growing, or you have the growth, enough growth, like if you have a relaxed hair like this, like half of it is the growth, the new growth, and the rest of it is just the relaxed hair. You can just trim off this one instead of a big chop, or you just chop in all of it, because it's not easy in this journey of a black woman. So we are going to take this off. Oh gosh. Yeah. So this is a process that I'll be doing after 1 month. I'll come and chop again because I'll have a new cloth. You can tell now, not that bad anyway, just a consolation. But anyway, sorry about the background noise. I live in an area which is very, very, very busy. Very busy. Like this. That's why I prefer recording at night, because people are not that busy. But during the day, it's a bit of a hell of a time. So I think I'm done. I don't want to chop too much. You can see that it's not that much, the remaining part of it. It's not that much. Oh gosh, what did I do to my hair now? By the way, I had washed my hair. As you can see now, my hair it's a little bit of the same texture. It has that the curls pattern, it's almost the same, and I'm happy it's not the same way like the way it was like a month ago, or even. Yeah, I can say that it's going back to natural state because I allowed the growth to grow, and then I'm going to be styling my short hair. It's not that short. Yes, look at that. But I've been using the clove water, I've been using avocado protein treatment and everything. That's why it's making my hair, it's growing. I can say that. It's just that it's fussy here, it shrinks really bad. The curls, look at the curls. I'm going to be showing you on how I achieve this. So I'm going to be using this it's called moisturizing curl activator. I'm going to activate these curls. Let's make sure that you massage your scalp every time that you're doing something, because it's so, the feeling is so fulfilling and so relaxing. So my hair is fully saturated with this curl activator. I'm going to be showing you on how I normally achieve that. So this is my final look. Just a simple way of protecting my hair, because I don't feel like braiding, I don't feel like wigs, I don't know what I feel like. I feel like I just need to be like this, and this will be my hairstyle in the next around 2 weeks or so, I don't know. But for now I'm not in the mood of braiding, crocheting or anything. I just need to feel relaxed. It's either this one or high puff like this. So guys, this was a little bit of a short video for just sharing with you the natural hair journey. It's not easy for people, but we keep grinding, we keep on because that's what we want at the end of it, right? So we are going to rock in our hair in a beautiful way, in everything that we want. We're gonna achieve it, guys. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and recommend to somebody who is going through a big trauma about hair, on how you want to shave, like completely shave your hair because it's completely damaged. You don't have to do that. You just have to wait for the growth and then you chop off the excessive and we go for a natural journey. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.